The art of flatware making, from wire to table. Imagine sitting down to a meal with a set of gleaming, perfectly crafted flatware. But have you ever wondered how these everyday essentials are made? Let's take a journey into the world of flatware production and explore the fascinating step-by-step process of creating knives, forks, and spoons. The process begins in a bustling metal workshop, where skilled workers and advanced machinery come together. It all starts with high-grade stainless steel chosen for its durability and resistance to corrosion. Here, raw materials are transformed through a series of precise and carefully monitored steps. Each stage, from the initial cutting of wire to the final polishing, requires both technical expertise and a keen eye for quality. As we move through the workshop, you'll see how traditional craftsmanship blends seamlessly with modern technology, ensuring that every piece of flatware meets the highest standards. This journey will reveal not only the complexity of the process, but also the dedication and passion of the people behind each utensil you use every day. Step 1. Cutting the wire. The journey begins with a thick coil of wire made of martensitic stainless steel, prized for its ability to hold a sharp edge. A heading machine cuts the coil into blank pieces with a head at one end, known as the bolster. The bolster will connect the blade to the knife handle, providing a strong joint and acting as a counterweight for perfect balance. Step 2. Forging the blade. A furnace heats the blanks to over 1000 degrees Celsius, making the steel malleable. A series of dies progressively shape the metal, creating the distinctive shape of the knife. The forging process involves applying high pressure and heat, which not only shapes the blade but also refines the steel's grain structure, increasing its strength. Step 3. Shaping the blade. An automated grinding wheel tapers the blade thinner at the front for a precise cutting edge, while a second grinding wheel creates the knife serration. The thicker back end gives the blade strength to withstand pressure. The serration is designed for optimal cutting performance, allowing the knife to slice cleanly without tearing. Step 4. Creating the handle. The factory uses 18/10 stainless steel for the knife handles, providing greater corrosion resistance and ease of formation. Each forged knife handle piece starts out as half a handle, which is then spot welded together with another half to form a complete handle. The handle is designed to fit comfortably in the hand, providing a secure, ergonomic grip. Step 5. Soldering the handle. A machine cuts a piece of copper-based wire and drops it inside the hollow handle. A furnace melts the wire, soldering the seam thoroughly for a waterproof seal. An edging machine grinds the solder line until it blends in with the surrounding stainless steel. Step 6. Attaching the blade workers pour a waterproof resin cement into the center of a carousel, which mounts 50 handles at a time. As the carousel spins, centrifugal force fills the handle cavities completely, preventing air bubbles. Workers then insert a blade into each handle, and a 10-minute soak in hot water cures the cement. This process securely attaches the blade, creating a permanent, hygienic seal. Step 7. Making spoons. Spoons are crafted from stainless steel sheets, which are cut into precise shapes. The metal is then pressed and formed into the familiar bowl and handle. Special attention is given to the curvature of the bowl, ensuring it holds liquids efficiently and feels comfortable in the mouth. The handle is designed for balance and grip, often featuring decorative patterns or engravings for both aesthetics and function. A press cuts stainless steel into paintbrush-shaped pieces, which are then stretched and thinned by heavy rollers. The forming process uses a series of dies to gradually shape the bowl, ensuring uniform thickness and a smooth, rounded edge. This prevents sharpness and makes the spoon safe for everyday use. A trim press cuts the spoon's profile, and a coining press punches a pattern into the handle and forms the bowl to its rounded shape. The coining process not only adds decorative elements but also strengthens the handle, making it resistant to bending. The bowl is polished to a mirror finish, enhancing both appearance and hygiene. The spoon's shape and size are carefully designed for optimal functionality. Some spoons are made for specific uses, such as soup, dessert, or serving, each with unique proportions. Quality control ensures that every spoon meets strict standards for weight, balance, and finish. Step 8. Making forks. Forks begin as flat pieces of stainless steel which are stamped and cut into the basic fork shape. The tines are carefully formed and spaced to ensure they pierce and lift food easily. The tips are rounded and polished for safety and comfort. Forks follow a similar path to spoons, but with a crucial extra step, a two-stage cutting press. This method prevents the metal from warping and ensures each tine is cut cleanly. The tines are then ground and polished to remove any rough edges, resulting in a smooth finish. Next, a support bar holds the delicate tines steady, while a coining press introduces a slight ergonomic bend. This bend improves the fork's usability, making it easier to pick up food. The handle is also shaped and decorated, often matching the design of the spoons for a cohesive set. The tines are then meticulously shaped and spaced for optimal piercing and lifting performance. Each fork undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure the tines are evenly spaced, and the finish is flawless. High-quality forks are designed to resist bending and maintain their shine through years of use. Step 9. Buffing and polishing. The last stop for all flatware is the buffing room. Here, a series of cloth wheels treated with a specialized liquid buffing compound meticulously polish every surface. This multi-stage process starts with a coarser grit to erase machine marks and progresses to an ultra-fine polish, creating the signature high-luster, mirror-like finish that feels smooth to the touch. Step 10. Finishing touches. The casual stainless steel flatware is now ready for final inspection and packaging. More formal pieces, however, receive an extra touch of luxury. They are dressed up with full or partial plating in silver or gold through an electroplating process, bonding a durable layer of precious metal to the surface for a brilliant shine. The final product is a beautifully crafted set of flatware, ready to be used and enjoyed. The attention to detail and craftsmanship that goes into each piece ensures a lifetime of service and satisfaction. From wire to table, the art of flatware making is a precise and intricate process that requires attention to detail and a commitment to quality. Each piece of flatware is carefully crafted to provide a lifetime of service, making it a valuable addition to any table setting. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Your input matters. Share your ideas for our next video in the comments, and we'll recognize your contribution. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the fascinating stories behind everyday things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more, click the next video right here.